Hey everyone, Travis with Coyote Moon. I wanted to share with you a quick way to really take your Squarespace web design to the next level. I am talking today about a software called Elfsight, which gives you access to about 1 million different widgets to add to your website. Now, we're actually looking at the back end of Elfsight here, where I've chosen the number counter, which displays kind of a dynamic, different number counter that you can customize, both the colors, the fonts, the look, the feel, the imagery within the counter. So, for instance, if you had a by the numbers section within your website and you wanted to showcase your nonprofit's impact, let's say you've served 65,000 meals in 365 days and taken 5,000 phone calls. The actual Elfsight number counter would allow you to display that dynamically on a web page section on Squarespace. So I'm going to show you a little bit about the ins and outs of that today, because I think it really is a way to up-level your Squarespace web design and also showcase your expertise and really engage better with your site visitors. So as we look here at the widget section of Elfsight, we can see this little number counter that I've created. I'm going to go ahead and click into install. And you can see now this is a real-time snapshot of how this number counter is going to appear within the section of my home page on Squarespace. So the nice thing about Elfsight is that you can customize the background color. You can upload your own graphics and images here. And then you can also set the colors within those images as well. So basically what you see here is going to mirror exactly what displays on the web page. So let's go ahead and pop in here to the first piece of content. You've got a nice edit screen where you can edit the number value to anything you want. And then that will dynamically change the helpline calls, which is the first section. I'm going to minimize my size here so I can see the rest of this. And then you can choose from a library of different icons to display here, upload directly from your computer. Then you can change the font color of that as well. If you wanted to change the number of columns from 3 to 2, you can do so here, which is really cool. Space between counters, you can kind of minimize the space between each element by pixel count. You can also set the mobile settings. You can set a width. So let's say, for example, you wanted to really focus in on tablet size. You could set the width to 750 so you can see how this displays on pixel. Let's go into the style section. This allows you to set a color background. We've selected that blue. It also allows you to set a background color on the actual widget, a number color. So you could change this from white to maybe red, etc. So it's really cool. So that's pretty much the tutorial on showcasing the design side of it. Let's go ahead and click close. Now, this is the really cool part. So I want to show you quickly how you can just grab a code snippet from Elfsight and upload that as an embed block directly to your Squarespace web page. So when we click install, we can actually copy the code directly here. And then the other nice thing is that they have a built-in Squarespace tutorial. So if you're unfamiliar with using code or an embed block on Squarespace, it pops it up right here with a walkthrough guide. So that's really nice. So we click install, we click copy code,